If you've been browsing tools to improve your online workflow, productivity, or creativity in 2026, you've probably seen dozens of apps claiming to be the best tool you need right now. One of the names that has been gaining traction is Fishbox, a platform marketed as a versatile tool that can help you organize tasks, collaborate with teams, and automate everyday work. But the question many people are asking is Fishbox actually the best tool or just another app with a catchy name? Today, we're breaking it down in a way that helps you decide based on real use cases. Not hyped first, let's talk about what Fishbox is in simple terms. Fishbox is a productivity platform that combines project management, notes, collaboration, and automation into one interface. At a glance, it looks like a mix between a task board, a knowledge base, and a simplified workflow engine. That sounds great on paper, but what really matters is how it works in practice. When you first open Fishbox, you'll notice a clean dashboard with options to create workspaces, projects, and boards. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and even attach files. What sets Fishbox apart from some competitors is how it tries to blend structure with flexibility. You're not limited to rigid templates or inflexible hierarchies. You can customize views, add tags, and switch between board, list, and timeline layouts depending on how you like to work. One of Fishbox's strongest features is its collaboration tools. You can comment on tasks directly, mention teammates, and even create shared spaces where messages and tasks live side by side. If you've ever wasted time switching between chat apps and task managers, this integration can feel like a breath of fresh air. For remote teams, this is especially helpful because it keeps discussions linked to actual work rather than scattered across Slack or email. Another area where Fishbox shines is its support for rich content. You can embed documents, spreadsheets, images, and even web links directly into tasks and notes. This means your work environment becomes a single place for information, rather than a collection of scattered files and bookmarks. Fishbox also advertises automation features. You can set triggers that move tasks, send notifications, or update statuses automatically based on rules you define. For example, when a task is marked complete, you can have Fishbox automatically notify your team or start another workflow. This kind of automation is usually found in more advanced tools, so having it built in can save a lot of repetitive clicks, but it's not all perfect. One of the limitations some users report is that Fishbox's mobile experience can feel a bit lighter than its desktop interface. While you can view and interact with tasks on your phone, some advanced options, especially custom views and automation setups, still work best on a larger screen. If you rely heavily on mobile for your workflow, that's something to keep in mind. Another consideration is learning curve. Unlike ultra-simple to-do list apps, Fishbox is more powerful, which means there's a bit of a learning period before you unlock its full potential. Some users may feel a little overwhelmed at first when setting up boards or defining automation rules. But once you get past the initial setup, many people find that it actually speeds up their work significantly. So the question remains, is Fishbox the best tool? The answer depends on what you need. If you're looking for a single platform that blends task management, collaboration, content organization, and automation, Fishbox is a strong contender in 2026. It brings several elements that would normally require multiple apps like project boards, shared spaces, and automated workflows into one interface. For many teams, this reduces app hopping and clarifies communication. However, if your needs are very specialized, for example, deep analytics, advanced CRM, or heavy technical integration, you might still need supplementary tools. In short, Fishbox is not a magic one-tool-fits-all solution, but it is one of the most versatile and accessible productivity platforms available today. If your priority is a unified workspace that keeps everything in one place and automates repetitive tasks, it's definitely worth trying in 2026. If this review helped you decide whether Fishbox fits your workflow, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more honest tool breakdowns, and tell me in the comments, what kind of productivity tool do you currently use? I'll see you in the next one.